Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your recent payout history on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your recent payout history on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines in the top left-hand corner, then click on Earnings, then click on View Payout Details, then click on Recent Payout History. So this is where your recent payout history is going to appear. So as you can see, I currently don't have a recent payout history, but yours should look different from mine. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your recent payout history on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.